The Euroclean XForce is a highly efficient vacuum cleaner and is best suited for deep cleaning. Its international styling and design perfectly complements your modern lifestyle and is easy to store.
To boot the device, switch the power on. It has a long cable for ease of use. The dynamic dial power control features 3 modes: the Eco Clean mode, the Active Cleaning mode, and the Full Throttle mode. Before switching it on, connect the hose to either the suction end or the blower end. If the dirt bag is filled to capacity, the indicator turns red. It also has an auto cord winder mechanism that prevents damage to the power cable. The carpet brush is used to suck dirt and dust from carpets effectively. It ensures the best cleaning of carpets. The floor brush is an accessory that can clean floors that contain dust particles and allergens. The crevice nozzle is used to remove dust from inaccessible spaces. It's used to remove dust from wall corners, sofa corners, and any other inaccessible areas. The flexible hosepipe is a primary accessory. With the grill cleaner, you can remove stubborn dust from between your grills easily. You can also use this to remove dirt from window ledges and sills. The atomizer can be effectively used to fumigate your cupboards and freshen your homes. All you have to do is load the atomizer with naphthalene balls and connect it to the blower end. The all-surface cleaner is designed to keep hard-to-clean things spotlessly clean. It is used to clean curtains, hard surfaces, and mattresses. The Flexi Cleaner can be used to reach inaccessible places easily. It can clean shelf tops very effectively.
The car wash adapter is a blower accessory. It can be used to wash cars by attaching it with a crevice nozzle. The spray jar, when connected to the blower end, can help you water your plants. The laptop cleaner is used to clean surfaces like laptop, TV, and keyboard screens. The precision cleaner is a multi-purpose blower accessory with which you can fill balloons and blow out dust and dirt from corners. The Euroclean XForce has a dust bag capacity of 3 liters. Let's make cleaning hassle-free. Eureka Forbes.